So it's problem number 35, and here we have the equation f of x equals x squared plus 2x minus 3 at x equals negative 2. So first, what we have to do first is find our coordinates. So here is telling us that x equals negative 2. So what we should do first is plug in the negative 2 on the original equation, replacing the x values. And here, using the calculator, it'll give us negative 3. So this is our y point here. Negative 3. We have our coordinates here. Okay, so now we find the derivative of the function. So we use the original one, x squared plus 2x minus 3. We use the notation, it's really important because if not there are points less. So we do the derivative. Here is 2x. The x is like if it is 1, so it just remains 2, and this one cancels out because it's just a constant. So here is the derivative, and now you use the negative 2 again to find your slope. So you use this, and the result in the calculator will give us negative 2. So this is your slope that we're gonna use on the next equation. Okay, so now we're gonna use the coordinates and your slope to find the equation of the tangent line. So we're gonna use now this formula. y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1. So now we replace the values that we have in each one. So it's y minus y1, so y1 here is negative 3 equals your slope x minus your x1 here, negative 2. And now what we do is you solve for y. So what we do here, this comes up positive 3. Here we have positive 2. You multiply here, 4, and now you isolate y completely. You pass the 3 to the other side, making it a negative. So here it is, negative and negative, it is negative 7. Here's your equation of the tangent line, right here. Okay, so now our last thing, the point B, is to sketch the graphs of both function and tangent line on the same plane. Okay, so here it says that we could use the graphing utility, and I used on my Mac the Grapher. It is an application. So according to Grapher, our first equation, the graph, it's like this. It's negative 1, negative 4. This one right here is the one of the original, x squared plus 2x minus 3. And now the other graph is of the equation right here, minus 2x minus 7. And according to Grapher as well, it is something like this. And as you can see right here, here is tangent. So this is like the image of how the graph of both it would look like. And our answer to the tangent lines is right here, the graph as well. And right here is all complete.